How to fix error code as 6000.87. For this first step, we need to delete the local profile. For this, open up Rockstar Game Launcher, click Settings, click Account Information, click Delete Local Profile, and click the Delete option. Once deleting after, you need to sign in again. It will not delete your entire account, so you can click Delete and click Confirm. Again, you can sign in again. After completing, come to next step. Open up this PC and make sure you should have enough memory space. Make sure it. If you're not having means you need to free up space and click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Because all the files and folders are in a C drive, that's why we are scanning the C drive. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. After that we move on with next step. It's successfully scanned, close it and come to next step. Restart network settings. For this you need to open up a command prompt, right click run as administrative and type the following text: ipconfig space slash flash DNS. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space slash renew and wait for a couple of seconds. It will take some times to complete. The next command netsh space winsock space reset. Type it correctly without any spelling mistake. And after that netsh space int space ip space reset. These are important settings. After completing, click enter and at last exit it. After that, move on with next step. Run the launcher as administrator. So for this, need to right click Rockstar Game Launcher, click Properties, click Compatibility, and make sure run the program as administrator. It should be in enable. Click Apply and OK. After completing all the steps, you need to restart your device. Thank you.